Worried about using public Wi-Fi or just want to keep your browsing private? A VPN can help. In this video, I'll show you 2 simple ways to use a VPN on your Android phone. One using your phone's built-in settings and the other using a free VPN app from the Play Store. Let's get started. First, to use a VPN through your phone settings. Go to your phone settings. After that, go to Connections. Then go to More Connection Settings. In More Connection Settings, you'll find the VPN option. Press on VPN. Once you're there, you might see an empty page, but in the top right corner, there will be 3 dots. Tap on the 3 dots. Then select Add VPN Profile. In the Add VPN Profile screen, enter the VPN name, server address, and your login details. Press Save, then connect when you're ready. Now your phone will route all internet traffic through that VPN, keeping things secure. If you don't want to manually create a VPN profile, then open the Play Store. Press on the search icon and search for VPN. Make sure to choose a trusted app with no time limits. For this example, I'm selecting this app. Now, install the app. Once installed, open the app. Before connecting the VPN, select a country. Then press on Connect. Finally, press OK. Once connected, you'll see a key icon at the top of your screen. That means your VPN is active and your connection is protected. This video is just for educational purposes. Please don't use VPNs for illegal activities. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.